Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a ThorFire TD26. Now this flashlight is a complete kit, includes the charger, battery, everything you need. So I just want to thank again ThorFire for sending me this for review. So let's wait no further, let's go ahead and open this up, see what's in. Pretty good material there to make sure. Now this was in the light, but I went ahead and took it out to charge it. Now according to the battery there, this is a 3000 milliamp. This is a protected cell, and ThorFire provides this to you. And it is a button top. Okay. Comes with the lanyard and an extra set of O-rings. Comes with that user manual. So if you want to read this, you can go ahead and pause the video at this time, but this has 1000 lumens on turbo. This can also run on both 26650 and 18650 cells. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and take the light out for a sec. Comes with a micro USB cable, and it also comes with this type of charger. Now I'm familiar with these type of chargers because I have a lot of them from X-Star, and they have this where you plug in the USB cable and charge your battery. This will turn red when charging and it turn green when completed. All in all, pretty basic charger. It is labeled ThorFire, so very nice. Alright, and that's everything in the box, so let's go ahead and set that to the side and let's get to the light. Now this is also a scuba diving light, but this one has a 100 meters water resistant. That means you can take this down. It clearly has a scuba diver on there. And now this is top heavy. Not really sure why, but this is very heavy at the tip of the light on the head here. So we're going to go ahead and show you up close. A lot of heat sinking on here. A lot of ribbed non-slip grip, so that's good if you're holding it even while you're having gloves on there. Now the button does stick out well enough where you can find that easily. Does have an area there for that lanyard. And this is running a Cree XPL LED. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the battery in it. Go ahead and show you the head there. And the threads are well greased. Same goes for the other part. It's got double O-rings on there. And this is an insert. You can run a 26650, but I'm going to go ahead and use their battery that they supplied. And we'll go ahead and put this back together. And we'll go ahead and go through the UI. Alright, we're going to go ahead and turn it on. Okay, we're going to go to the next level. Medium. There's high. And there's turbo. 1000 lumens. And as you can see, it's got a nice spill area, focused hotspot there. And then of course, if you want, this does have strobe. All you have to do is double click on the button. And if you want to go ahead and turn it off, press and hold that, turns it off. That's all there is to this. So let's wait no further. Let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the ThorFire TD26. We're going to see how it does out here. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, there is a spill there. I'm going to shine it over here, making 60 feet out here. Fence line, tree line. See if it'll make it the tree of life out there. And it does faintly make it out there. And that's impressive. Alright, we're going to go back to the water spout here. And we're going to go to the next level. And that's doing really good. We're going to shine it around here. Tree line. Fence line. And this has a neutral color to it for all you neutral fans. And it is faintly making the park over there. Pretty good. You can see the bleachers there by the diamond. Tree of Life is now being lit up with these. And it is faintly making the school. Alright. And we're going to go out to this water spout here. And we're going to go to the next level. And look at that. Spill is nice and bright. There's the tree line. Got some good throwing distance on this. Fence line. Wow, this is pretty impressive. Now I'm using the supplied 18650 battery that came with it. You can also run a 26650 battery in it for longer run times. Very nice. And it is faintly making those palm trees at this level output. Very nice. Alright, we're going to go over here to the water spout again. And there's the next level there. Really nice. And that's a lot of light coming from this thing right here. That's a lot of light. Easily making it across the park. Got some nice Kelvin on this. Really nice performance on this. I'm going to put it on the Tree of Life. Look at how wide that is. Very nice. We'll check those palm trees now. And it is making the palm trees. Alright. There we go. One more sweep tree line, fence line. Very nice performance from Thorf for this. ThorFire is doing really great. Alright. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing did really, really good. I was surprised. Unfortunately, I can't take it scuba diving to see how well it does underwater, but I can tell you in real world situations, if you want a really durable, rugged light that can easily be submerged, or if you need and want to take it scuba diving, this one is going to be very well suited for your needs. Comes with this complete package, which is awesome. I'm really liking the ThorFire because they're not only affordable, but you're getting really nice quality for your money. The ruggedness of this, the performance, the ability to run those 26650 batteries in here will also give you more runtime, which is a plus. So I just want to thank again ThorFire for sending me this product for review, and they have provided me a special discount code, especially for my viewers. So if you're interested in buying this, you can save some money. So look right up on that screen, right about right there, and you could use that discount code. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these flashlight kits to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.